Studio Microphone, welcome back to the channel, where machines meet power and innovation marches on tracks. Today, we're diving into one of the most fearsome pieces of battlefield tech rolling into 2025, the VOLK-99 main battle tank. A next-generation beast that's rewriting the rules of armored warfare. Studio Microphone, the VOLK-99 is the latest main battle tank developed by VOLK Armored Systems, a European defense company known for mixing brute force with bleeding-edge tech. Unlike older generations, the VOLK-99 isn't just a tank, it's a mobile weapons platform designed for the AI-driven battlefield of tomorrow. The VOLK-99 weighs in at 67 tons, powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine producing 1,800 horsepower. That means silent running capabilities for stealth operations and reduced heat signature, ideal for urban warfare and reconnaissance. Studio Microphone, armed to the teeth, the VOLK-99 features a 130mm smoothbore cannon with an autoloader capable of firing APFSDS, programmable airburst, and guided shells. On top of that, a 30mm remote weapon station, twin missile pods, and drone deployment bay in the rear for recon UAVs or loitering munitions. Studio Microphone, defensively, this tank is a fortress. The modular ERA armor deflects kinetic and shaped charges, while its active protection system, codenamed Cerberus, can intercept incoming RPGs, ATGMs, and even some tank rounds mid-air. Studio Microphone, now here's where it gets futuristic. The VOLK-99 comes equipped with the V-Core Tactical AI, a battlefield neural network that helps the crew identify targets, prioritize threats, and even suggest tactical maneuvers in real time. Studio Microphone, despite its weight, the VOLK-99 is surprisingly nimble. Thanks to its adaptive suspension system, it can handle rough terrain, urban rubble, and even high-speed maneuvers at up to 70 km/h. The crew of 3, commander, gunner, and systems officer, ride in a fully protected, isolated cockpit.